Okay, so we'll make a magic loop and then I'll chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. From the 4th chain from the hook, I'll make 1 double crochet, another double crochet in the next chain, and another double crochet in the next chain. Total of 3 double crochet apart from the initial chain 3. We turn the work. Now we chain 6 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and we'll do exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. From on the 4th chain from the hook, 1 double crochet, another double crochet in the next chain, and another double crochet in the next chain, which is this one. Okay, so we'll call this a cluster. So later on you know where what I refer to when I say cluster. So now we have 2 clusters. What we'll do inside this space, the first one between the chain 3 and the first double crochet, we will make a slip stitch like this. Now we'll chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and in the same space, which is between the chain 3 and the double crochet, I will make 3 double crochet. So we started with chain 3 and then we're adding 3 double crochet in the same space. Just follow slowly and rewind the video if you need, but if you follow the step by step, you will be able to do it. It again looks complicated, but once you follow the instructions, it's easy to follow. Now I have done chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the space. Now what we'll do, again turn the work. So every time we finish the front, we will turn the work to finish also the back. The whole work will be that way. Now I'll chain 6 again, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now what you need to know, at the beginning of every work, of every row, that's what you're gonna do. Chain 6 and again those 3 double crochet following. So at the beginning again of every row, you will be chaining 6. So now double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, okay, and 3, okay, so this is how it is. You see now my work is increasing slowly. Now the added step is again in between the next chain 3 and double crochet, which is here, we'll make a slip stitch. And you will see the slip stitches and the following cluster will be increasing with every row. That's how you know that the work is progressing. So chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Again in the space 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and again onto the next cluster, chain 3 cluster, a slip stitch again, and chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Again, that's an increase for the work. So for this shawl you'll just do increases because it will take the triangle shape and you'll make it as big as you want your shawl to be. So basically what you need to remember, now we said at the beginning of every row you will chain 6 and you will do the cluster, and at the end of every row you will do the chain 3 and 3 double crochet before turning your work and starting again with a chain 6. So that's all you will be doing for your shawl. And we will do this for 30 rows, and then if you want to make it bigger depending on which yarn you're using, it's up to you. I'll come back with the next step to show you how to change the color for this shawl. So now we're gonna see how to change the color during work, and I have finished with this blue color, and then it wasn't really enough to finish my work, so I'll join my next color in between the work. However, you have the choice to start it at the end, but the joining will be the same. So here I'll continue with the blue with a chain 3 and 3 double crochet again, the same space. Okay. Okay, and now I will insert my hook into the last stitch as if I'm working another chain 3, and I'll join my color here, join, and then making sure this is hidden, join my yarn and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then work my last 3 double crochet, and now I can start the next row with my new color. Just to secure threads before I continue. Okay, it does look secure here, but I'll just join it together behind so it doesn't open later on. So what I'll do is a simple knot here, and then I will just clean it by cutting the edges. Okay, 1 knot, 2 knots, and then later I will cut the edges so it doesn't show. So now we can continue. So now we can continue by turning the work as always, and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and again 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we'll call it cluster. Chain 3 and 3 double crochet in the same space. So this is how my shawl is looking like so far. I have done around 46 rows of C2C or corner to corner crochet stitch, and I still have to finish till 100 row for the shawl to be completed. It depends how big or small you want it. You progress with the rows, but this is how it looks so far. I still have to introduce 3 more colors after the orange, which is green, gray and brown, and then once I'm done, I'll show you the final result on my Instagram. Don't forget to check it out and see the progress of my work over there. So I hope you liked this tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.